Alright, what is going on, everybody? It's that guy in that suit, back again with another YouTube video. In today's video, as you can see titled by the thumbnail, we're going to be replacing a wheel bearing slash hub assembly on my 2000 V6 Ford Mustang with no ABS. Now, before you click off, ABS rotors or ABS hubs and non-ABS hubs are the same. So I don't know why Ford did that, but whatever. Got the tire off already. I just took it off. No need to show that. Car's jacked up on both sides down there. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna try to make these a little quicker. If you are a returning viewer, what's up? If you're a new viewer, what's up? But yeah, so gonna start by taking the caliper off and the rotor. So the way you take the caliper off is you're going to want to take, I believe you're going to want to take these back bolts out. I did a YouTube video on this and I don't remember. I believe that it's these back bolts here and here that come out. I need to clean those spider webs off. You can see it right there, and then right there. So yeah, we'll do that, and I'll show myself taking those off, I guess. Place you guys right here. Alrighty, so we are back. These are going to be a 12 millimeter here and down here. Just gonna take them off like so. Maybe. I don't know, can I do it? Oh, hold on. Oh, I was tightening them. Whoops. Don't mind me. Had a long week at work. And I'm gonna go ahead and re-shorten that. So you'll be rotating it towards the front of the vehicle. Like Lucy righty tighty. I don't go by those rules though. No. Yeah, so this really doesn't seem like it's coming off at all. Oh, I remember what you have to do. I'm glad I grabbed this. You have to stick this right. I remember now. You gotta stick that right in there. There we go. That makes sense. So I'll show you guys where that's at. Right. Hold on. So I got it hooked right there, and then, so that's got little like flat spots on it where you can hold it. So, pardon me guys, I'm still trying to get used to this new camera I got here. It's a lot bigger than what I'm used to. So, yeah, don't mind me if I'm a little fiddly with it. Still getting used to it. Go ahead and take that off. And then, actually, we may just be able to, oh, we can't. Okay, so I need to take the bottom one off as well. There's probably a specific size for that, but don't know it, don't care. Just do this instead. Again, that was a little more loose. Just, if you can break it loose, you're usually good to go. Which I am most definitely good to go. Probably cut all this out. Okay, when you pull this off, don't let it hang. I flip mine around and set it up behind the shock tower like that. That's where it's not gonna fall. And then you're gonna wanna take this brake pad, which I don't remember doing, off. These are brand new, so look like they're wearing all right. And then the back one, you're gonna wanna take that off as well. Like so. So I need to leave these like they are, so like that. Be prepared to get dirty on this job. So it looks like we're gonna have to take this bracket piece off. So you're gonna go back here. I'm gonna see if I can do it with this, because I don't want to get up and walk all the way to the shop. So, okay, not doing it with that. So what I'll do is figure out what size that is. I'll size this thing to it, like that. And then I'll go get something. I'll tell you guys what the size is. I'll be right back. Alrighty, back. It's gonna be a 15 mil. So far we're going to have a 10 mil and a 15 mil. Let's see if I can get these off now. If I had one of those right angle air tools, it'd be nice, but I don't. Who needs that anyways when you got muscle? They can definitely be a little difficult though to get off. There we go. Don't remember tightening them that tight, but they may have anti-seize on them, stuff. So I don't remember if I did that or not. See what I do need. Let's get these darn cobwebs out of the road. There we go. So now you just take this sucker on off here, like so. Go ahead and run these out. Like that. These are big, pretty big guys here. Definitely a lot larger compared to the small ones, so just set them next to each other like that. Kind of hold this so it doesn't flop around like that. I don't know why I'm hurrying. I have all day. It's early in the morning. Not sure about that. And that's off. That's what this looks like. It's just a little retainer piece. Now, why did I put one of those on there? Why did I put that back on? I don't know why I put this little retainer dude back on. It's kind of annoying. You're gonna want a flathead screwdriver, flathead, pretty decent sized one. Maybe like a little hammer. It's either that or needle nose pliers will work. Alrighty, flathead, pretty decent size, needle nose pliers. Either or, just in case one decides not to work. I really don't know why I put this back on here. Kind of dumb on my part. Go around and flex all the little doodads out, like best you can. And then maybe try and work it off there. Definitely is not wanting to come off. I don't know why I stuck this back on. I put this back on here and I really have no clue why I did that. Is there one more? There is. So you're gonna want to get a pair of needle nose pliers for this. Come to find out. And then maybe just like a, with the screwdriver. Try not to stab yourself in the hand. I almost did. It's getting wild out here, ladies and gentlemen. I will not be putting this back on. I do not know why I put this on here. Because when you tighten it up, the rim holds this on and the caliper. So there was no need to put this back on. I don't know why I did it. That was dumb of me. May not have been something that I was aware I was doing. I don't know. Alrighty, so I got this little dumb clip off there. Flipping super annoying. So now the rotor comes off. I recently put those on too. Here's our wheel bearing that is definitely making wheel bearing noises. Does not sound happy at all. You gotta try and get, ouch, flipping rock sticking through the the ground right there, man. just try to get in behind it best you can. I'm gonna have to go get a hammer and a thinner screwdriver with a sharper tip, so I'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back. There's a dog barking somewhere. I got a hammer, screwdriver. Make sure you don't really care about this screwdriver. You don't want to screw it up. And when you're tapping, just light little taps will do. Pardon the dog in the background. Maybe some more aggressive taps. This has never been pulled. That's why it's being the way it is. So now, get it in there. Ooh. Metal in finger does not feel good. I don't know what that was from. It was like wire wheel metal. Doesn't surprise me. But there's wire wheel metal floating around here somewhere. Just kind of go all the way around. Pop it. Pop it. Pop it to hop it. Okay. I'm just gonna get in there, work it sideways like that. This is, it came off. You get in there, just kind of twist it. So this is definitely interesting. It's a lot bigger than I imagined. Wow, what the heck is going on there, man? Okay, so I'm gonna need to go get a flippin' big boy. Like, that's big. That's really big, dude. Shouldn't be, technically, it shouldn't be that hard to get off. I don't know what size that is, so I'm gonna go try some sizes and I'll be right back. And I'll let you guys know what the size is. I'm recording. Okay, it came off.
How bad is that? Oh. Is it supposed to do that? Oh my gosh, no. No.
I don't know if you guys can hear that.
That's just...
So, Rock Auto, so I can't, this does not exist on the internet. I've searched for this one probably for 4 hours. The only one that they come with is the one with the ABS ring, so I don't think it matters.
You can pound the ring off if you want. Or we could just leave it on there.
Leave it on there. I kind of want to open this up and see what the thing looks like. So I'm going to open this thing up. Yeah, I want to see.
Open that up?
I want to see how bad it looks. I want to show you guys what a bearing looks like. Yeah, I'm going to open it up.
I see it.
Hold on, I got to try and... I'll catch you guys in a little bit when I get this thing opened. And I'll tell you how I did it. Alright everybody, so got this one on here. Just set the new spindle nut on there, just kind of loosely. The old one did not have this, but it doesn't interfere with anything. Couldn't find the old one anywhere, so stuck the new one on. Pressed the stuff out of the old one, it was just worn out. Just wasn't doing it. Obviously this one rolls, you know, a lot better, so yeah, we're gonna tighten it up now, and I will let you guys know how that goes. We're gonna do it with the air wrench. If you have a high enough spec torque wrench, it's like 220 to 290, so be careful when you do that. You don't want to slip when you're pressing that hard. So get this on, catch you guys in a little bit. Alright everybody, so we got it on here. We ended up using that bar there and this torque, or this breaker bar. It fits loose, just a teeny bit, but this is 1 7/16. So we got it tight. My dad remembered kind of how tight it was when he took it off, so he just tightened it. Plus there's kind of a point where the bolt, or the spindle nut kind of just stopped moving. Like he was pressing pretty hard and this was definitely bending and it wasn't moving. It moved like 1 millimeter, so that's on there. It's good, no sound. What definitely wasn't like the other one, so that's on there. So basically just rinse and repeat. Stick rotor on, that on, and then caliper with pads, and stick your wheel on and you're ready to go. Other than that, I'm gonna outro the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. There will be links in the description to this stuff. The spindle nut is different. This one is a little bigger, but you're not supposed to reuse them. But I did get this off Rock Auto, so if it breaks and I crash, I'll be suing Rock Auto. No. not sponsored by Rock Auto, but love their stuff. This was like, you know, as I said before in the beginning of the video, 27 plus shipping, and at O'Reilly's and AutoZone it was like 54, 52, somewhere around in there. So I'm gonna end the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this and hope it helped you out. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below. Constructive criticism, always appreciated. But yeah, other than that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful, and God bless. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.